Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. So let's get started. So basically guys, Snapchat does not have a built-in feature to do that, but we have some troubleshooting tips or hack to do that. So simply guys, all you have to do is make sure that your airplane mode is turned on and your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned off. So in order to do that, simply scroll down your control panel and turn off your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and simply turn on your airplane mode. And after you turn on your airplane mode, all you have to do is go to the Snapchat app. So here you can see I'm screen recording this chat, but still it is not showing. So yeah, so all you have to do is screen record this chat, and after you screenshot, it's still not showing on the page. Now all you have to do is go back to your home screen and restart your iPhone. After restarting, they won't get a notification of you have screenshot their chats. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.